read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's number is number 13. Okay, first of all, we will count different objects, trace number 13 and revise 1 to 13. Okay, so let's start. How many parrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Colorful parrots. They are looking very beautiful. 13 parrots rill and talk in the tree top. Okay, let's start. Rill around and pretend to talk like a parrot in a high-pitched voice. So let's pretend. Okay, now look over here. Here's, yes, 10 rupee note and 3 coins. 10, 11, 12, 13. This is number 13. Very good. How to write it? Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Make semicircle, make another semicircle. It will make number 3. 10 and 3 make 13. This is number 13. Which number is this? Number 13. Now, count these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 2, 3. 10 and 3, 13. Very good. I hope so. You enjoyed a lot and you could identify number 13 very well. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.